Hey guys, we are doing a round 2 on Cluck Cash. This time we are at Windcreek, Montgomery. We got 75-cent bets, penny denominations, and $21 in because we put 2 change tickets in. Here we go, Nana's with us. She's going to be pressing the button for us. See if we can get a win. Oh, come on. Oh, almost, Nana, almost. You need 3 of them again. You guys remember from previous video, Nana has problems with 3s, so just get 4. Oh, she tried to. She did that one out of spite though. Okay, all right, we need some more of them. Oh, so I think we need 6 of those. 6 of the lightning link type things. Come on. So we got like a medium-sized chicken up here. He's not too big, he's not too small. He's just perfect for a bonus. Except Nana is just going through that money like there's no tomorrow. We're gonna let her play down to 10 and then I'm taking over. Oh, got some corn. Nope. Oh. One more. Oh, we got some more corn. Got some wild, some corn. She kept herself in the running for a few more spins. Two more. Oh, would have been nice. Alright, one more spin, Nana. And then I'll take over. Okay, I'm taking over, guys. Hello, little chicken. Hello. Alright, let's see what we can get. Might need to stop it one time here. Oh, now we only got $7 left. Let's see what we can do. Oh, we got some corns. We're getting lots of corn. Doesn't really help us any at the moment unless he pops, but no. Yeah, that one's huge. See, that one's huge, Nana's talking about. I try not to play them when they're all big because then people will just keep putting money in thinking that's going to win and it never does. Or at least that's my superstitious belief. Oh, bonus. Ah. Come on, about 10 more spins. No pop. Come on, give us a bonus. You can do it. One more. Or is it 5? It's not 5, it's 6. Come on. Alright, we're gonna have to put more in. Unfortunately, that's the way today has been going for us. My wallet is getting very, very empty. Oh, hold on, my whole wallet's falling. Give me a sec. Okay, alright, here we go. Nana's in. Here we go. Alright. Now we're back, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, here we go. We gotta pop our chicken. We gotta get our lightning link. Oh, we gotta get regular free spins. We gotta get them all. The BGs are playing. It's gonna make us win. Come on, bonus. Mixie matched. Come on, 4 more. Nope. 3 more. Oh, come on, guys. Come on. Hold on, let's stop it one time. Okay, go for it. 4 more. Alright. Anything in our power. Let's change it again. Change it every spin until we get a spin that at least pays our bet back. Oh, that one didn't. I saw a big number go by on that lightning link too. We didn't change it that time, so now we gotta change it 2 times. Alright, about 10 more spins left, guys. Pop? Nope. He's not even growing. Bounce. Ah. No growth, no nothing. Oh, he's chuckling at us up there. At our losses. Okay. Oh, his eyes are open now. He grew his eyes a little bit. Oh, now they're slits again. Alright. It's not looking good, guys. Three more. Oh. Alright, we got 2 spins. Alright, against my better judgment, we're going to put another one in. Try to recover a little bit of our money. There we go. Come on, free spins. Let's just kind of warm it up. Oh, there was a little something. It's better than we've been getting. $1.50. He's still chuckling away over there. Oh, now he sees we're watching him. Come on, Nana. Oh, that would have been nice. Three more. Pop. Nope. Bonus. Man, this machine, this whole casino is cold. In more ways than one. If you guys want a nice air-conditioned casino, come down here, because it is chilly down here. Oh, he's growing. He's big. He didn't pop, but he grew. Cluck Cash by AGS. No. Alright, now he's so uncomfortable he needs to pop. Spun a little long. I thought it was giving us a random. Three more? Nope. Alright. Oh, guys, it just is not doing anything for us. Pop. $4.95 left. We want him to explode.
Oh, they make you do
That's how we win. Nana would rather I just lose all my money than the chicken explode. There we go. Free spins. Whew. Free spins. Alright, so we need 60 back out of it. We only got 6 spins. 6 spins. Come on, lightning links. That is not going to do enough for us. Come on. Oh, we need 6 lightning links. Retrigger. Only 3 spins left. Come on. Oh, $2. Uh-oh, last spin. Oh, that's rough. At least we got $4 on that spin, but oh, that's horrible. $9.75, and we got our chicken still up here. All right, let's see if we can win now. More? Nope, no growth, no pop. 3 more? Oh, guys, I know some of you guys like this machine, but I guess if you sit here all day long or you bet a higher bet, maybe it's good, but right now it's just taking all the money, not even teasing you at the lightning link. 10 spins left, say. Alright, Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Oh, I thought a bonus was coming. Bonus, 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 bonus. Thought we had free spins again. Alright, 4 spins left. Oof. 3. Pop. 2 spins left, guys. I got a little bit. Alright, 2 spins left. And last spin. Pop, pop. Oh, we did not win. We did not win, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you like this machine or if there's another version you like better. And I will see you next video.